Hi gentlemen, welcome to Awesome Men Amazing Style, your favorite men's lifestyle channel. Imagine if our faces were cars, would you buy them? Would you buy them knowing that it is a lot of maintenance? Like you need to wash it twice daily, polish it, moisturize it, tone it every single day, daily. And by the way, you can't even replace it like a car because it's your own face. You need to carry it till the time you are alive. Every single day. So you better take care of it. And if you like what I just said, I want you to like this video too. Anyways, winter skincare can really be tricky because your skin gets dry very easily. You can develop skin flakes, you can develop skin lines, you can develop wrinkles, which makes you grow older faster than you should actually. And that's why your friend, your own Asif Ismail, is going to tell you about winter skin routine. I'm going to teach you how to use the products, and I'm also going to tell you the products that I use that keeps my skin healthy and glowing during the winters. So let's hit it. Once a week, I exfoliate my skin to get rid of all the dry skin. I have been using this exfoliation scrub from Vita Organic, the new age Ayurveda, because it not only scrubs but also detans and polishes my skin. It is made of organic products like walnut, coffee, coconut oil and rock salt. Whenever you're scrubbing, make sure you do it in an upward circular motion. Do not press your skin too hard. Be gentle. Let the product do its job. The second step in my winter skin routine is the cleansing part. Washing my face with a face wash. For this, I'm going to be using Vita Organics C Glow Face Wash. C stands for vitamin C, of course. Other components which are present in this face wash are sandalwood, honey, coffee, lemon and neem. A perfect combination of everything your skin needs. You can use it even if you're having pimples or acne, and they help you get rid of them. Always advisable to use a face brush while you are cleansing your face. You will find results at the first instance with this face brush. I will give the link to it in the description. A must in your toolkit. The third step is the toning. In winters, it might be a little difficult to use ice as a toner, but hence I would recommend you to use rose water as organic toner during the winters. So while we speak of the organic, let me tell you, Vita Organic products are 100% organic. It's the new age Ayurveda. Of course, a lot of us have not heard about it because they're not investing in celebrities to market their product. I heard it as a word of mouth and I came to know these are great products, so I bought them, I tried them, and I feel the results are absolutely great. And I would urge you to invest in these products if you want value for money and if you want good results, because I've been using them and I know I can recommend it for sure. It is a homegrown brand and we need to support this brand, and therefore I'm going to give all the links to all the products in the description below. Now back to our winter skin routine. The fourth step is moisturization. First, I would moisturize my face with this lovely Skin Solve multi-benefit butter balm. It not only moisturizes but also repairs your dry skin apart from other benefits. Always remember to apply in an upward movement. It prevents your skin from sagging and aging. Second, I will use the Nicolips from Vita, my most favorite of all the products. Take a little bit in your ring finger, scrub it on your lips and then let it remain there. 3 benefits: removes the dry skin, moisturizes your lips, and while it is on, it also lightens it. Anyways, what I just told you was my winter morning skincare routine. It is the same process that I apply every night before going to bed. It was always advisable that you do the skincare twice a day to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Anyways, there's one more product that I use while I'm going out during the day, and that is Vita Organic Deo. Okay, this is a scrubber for your underarms or maybe in your neck. It keeps you really fresh. I want you to try this as well. This is also one of my favorites. And yes, wear perfume all over the deo so that you feel fresh and attractive. Anyways, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye bye.